Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we'll be repairing a car bumper at home. Let's get started. First, check the crack in the bumper. Then, take a small iron pipe. Try to attach it to the soldering iron. As it's not fitting properly, we'll hold it with mole grips and heat it over the flame. We'll heat it thoroughly so that it expands. Now check it by attaching it to soldering iron. Clamp the pipe in a bench vise and cut with a grinder at appropriate length. Press one side of pipe with hammer. Use pliers to bend the pressed side at a 90-degree angle. Now, we'll smooth the side using a sharpening stone. Use a drill to make a hole in the bended side of pipe. Attach pipe to the soldering iron and make sure the place of holes. Now, take a box of paper clips. Straighten the clips using nose pliers. Bend the straightened clips into a zigzag shape using the nose pliers just like this. Power on the soldering iron. Apply a piece duct tape to the outer side of the bumper's crack. Now, place the zigzag clip on the crack and press it with the hot soldering iron. Press it firmly and melt the plastic slightly from the sides to spread it over the clip. Press clips in the same way all over the crack. Now, remove the duct tape. Use the soldering iron to melt the plastic around the crack and blend it over crack. Cool down the area by spraying water over it. Use sandpaper to smooth the surface thoroughly so that the bumper can be painted smoothly. We're doing this to eliminate any signs of the crack so that after painting, the bumper looks as good as new. Paint the bumper using spray paint. If you have to buy a new bumper from the market, depending on your car's model, it could cost you anywhere from $200 to $15. However, by repairing your bumper in this way, you can do it for free. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.